Welcome to Avon! Congratulations! You are now a franchise dealer. Now, you might be wondering, paano ka nga ba mag-uumpisa? Don't worry, dahil we will guide you on your journey with Avon. Meron tayong 3 golden rules in Avon. Focus on the 3 C's. Identify your customers, manage your credit terms, encourage cash on delivery. Tandaan ang pointers na ito because these will guide you in your journey as a franchise dealer. First golden rule, identify your customers. Pagdating sa paghahanap ng first customers nyo, tandaan lang ang 3 Ks: kamag-anak, kaibigan, kapitbahay. Actually, hindi lang naman limited sa 3K ang iyong magiging customers. Marami pang case na maaari mong maging prospect tulad ng kaopisina, kaklase, kakilala, kabarangay at iba pa. I-prioritize ang inyong choice of case para mas madali kayo makakuha ng customers. Do not also forget to always get referrals from your KK case. Get at least 3 referrals from each of your case at siguradong dadami pa ang iyong mga customers. Once you have identified your customers, it's time for you to get to know them more. Alamin ang mga produkto na madalas nilang bilhin. This way, mas madali na for you para mag-recommend ng Avon products na magugustuhan nila. Alalahanin kung gaano silang kabilis magbayad. Time is of essence when it comes to payments. Choose your customers wisely. Make sure na maging wais at pumili ng customers na capable to complete purchases. Unlimited ang earnings if you know your customers. Once na nakakuha na kayo ng orders from your customers, the next step to do is to compute your dues so you can manage your credit terms. As a new franchise dealer, meron kayong 35 days or maximum of 5 weeks na credit term. As a new franchise dealer, you have a minimum of 28 days of credit term and maximum of 35 days. Pro tip: mag-purchase on your due date para ma-maximize nyo ang 5 weeks na credit term. Ganito lang kasimple gawin ang mag-record keeping. Simulan sa paglista ng customer name, date purchase, date due, at total amount due. Important din na ilagay ang mga produktong binili ng customer, quantity, at cost nito. How do you manage your dues? Madali lang yan. The key is to agree on a due date with your customers. Pwede niyong iset ang due date nyo with your customers in 3 weeks. For example, we have customer Ana Cruz. Nag-order siya sa inyo ng 3 products na ang total amount ay 1,197 pesos. Following her 3 weeks due date, dapat niya kayong bayaran on or before February 24. Tip: make sure to set your due date with your customer before your own due date with Avon para maiwasan nyo ang delayed payments. Next golden rule, encourage cash on delivery. Now you know your credit terms with Avon and with your customers, ready ka na mag-set ng due date at mag-schedule ng delivery with them. Instead of giving credits, try mo muna i-encourage ang full payment upon delivery. Transactions nowadays are done via COD, so why not start with this with your Avon business? When people order online, all are in cash payment, hindi po ba? Hindi mo kailangan maghintay pa ng 3 weeks bago mangolekta ng bayad from your customers. As early as now, let's make it the habit sa Avon to collect cash payment upon delivery. Just in case your delivered item will be on credit, be sure to ask for an initial payment of at least 20% of the price on the ordered item. In that way, you are protecting your credit line and your Avon business. At para ma-free up ulit ang iyong credit line, do not forget that you need to also remit payments to Avon. Ang tawag dito ay advance payment. Gawin natin itong habit dahil sa ganitong pamamaraan, siguradong 100% ang kita mo. When delivering your customers' orders, i-encourage natin ang ating mga customers na magbayad ng full upon delivery. Laging tatandaan ang mga sumusunod. 1. Ask for cash payment in full. 2. If not possible, ask for at least 20% initial payment. 3. I-remit agad ang payment sa Avon as advance payment. Bakit nga ba natin mas ini-encourage full or initial payments? Here are the benefits. More collections, more purchased orders. Less delays, less stress. The more you encourage your customer na magbayad earlier, the less stress that you get. Pareho pa kayo ni customer makaka-maintain ng magandang credit history. Continuous orders, continuous earnings. Madali lang, di ba? Basta lagi nyo lang susundin ang golden rules of being an Avon franchise dealer. Always focus on your 3 C's. Identify your customers, manage your credit terms, encourage cash on delivery. And there you go! Now you are ready to start your Avon business. We have many ways to serve your orders. Call your branch, visit our Avon website, and call Avon Contact Center hotline.